ready to turn your Roblox creations into a revenue stream and reward your players with awesome perks. Let's dive into making your very own Game Pass. First, head over to the Roblox website and navigate to the game creation section, where you'll see all your published experiences. Find the game you want to add a Game Pass to and click on the settings icon. Then select Create Game Pass. Now let's give your Game Pass a name and a compelling description. This is what players will see, so make it exciting. For the icon, you'll upload an image, make sure it's visually appealing, and hints at the in-game benefit your Game Pass offers. Once you've filled in all the details and uploaded your image, hit that Create Game Pass button. Congratulations, your Game Pass is created. Now, to make it available for purchase, click on the Game Pass you just made and then select the Configure button. This is where the magic happens. Toggle the On Sale option to Yes, and then set the price for your Game Pass in Robux. Think about what value you're offering. After setting your price, remember to click Save Changes to make your Game Pass live and ready for players to buy. And there you have it. Your Game Pass is now active in your game, offering exclusive content or features to players who purchase it. Happy developing and happy earning.